everyone? Got a 2021 Genesis GV80 key fob here. This is how you open it up to replace the battery, okay? So if you look on the left side of the key fob here, there are these slots that you have, okay? You're gonna get a small flathead screwdriver, put it inside of one, and just give it a twist. All right, do it with the top one too, twist, and that just cracks it open, okay? And when we open it here, this is where the battery is located. You're gonna need a small Phillips screwdriver. Take these screws out right here to get this cover off. Okay, so there's one screw here, one screw here. Just be really careful with these guys because they are super duper small. And then we can take this cover off, just like that. And here we have the battery. I'll take these screws so I don't lose them. Put them over here. Battery, okay. So if we look at it, we're gonna need to pry this battery out. We'll turn the remote upside down, and we're gonna put the screwdriver in on this side here and push down and pry it out. All right. You can see the way this remote is made. This is made to hold it in a certain way. And try not to lose the battery. Okay, I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. With the remote upside down, it goes into the top first. Okay, and that needs to go in between these two contacts. There's a contact here and here. So we're gonna place it in there and then push it in, okay? Now if you need a battery, or the size again, look down in the description box and I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. Let me just get our cover here. It has this little tab here that needs to go inside this little slot that's right here. And then we can put it on. Okay, so make a little clicky noise. Line up the holes. Wants to be real finicky. The holes. Just like that, okay? Then we can get our little baby screws here, put them back in, and you're pretty much all done. We just snap that back cover on, and that's pretty much it. If you don't drop everything. I really don't recommend doing this in the car like me. I'd go sit it down on a table so you don't lose anything. Like get those just hand tight in there, and you get your cover. And starting from the top, work your way down, snap it together, and you're all done.